Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and I want to introduce you.
What's happening? I'm Floss927. What's happening? On the Instagram, check me out. Your boy, I'm Floss. What's up?
So we're going to talk about our new single, Watch Me, and we're going to talk about the lyrics. So, Floss, tell them.
All right, I'll take it from the top. I'm here when you stay. I'm here when you leave. That's the realness you gonna get out of me. I look up high, man, taller than trees. Don't question if I'm stressing, I just stay on my P's. That whole little area in that section right there is just me starting it off by saying, you know what I've been venturing through this whole time, with my music and everything. And now I'm here, I'm planning, I'm ready to grow, I'm ready to put it out there, publicly put this thing out here. And that's the realness you're gonna get with me, whether you're bumping me now or you waiting on me to drop something later. That's my commitment to what I'm doing. So I'm looking up high, taller than trees. No question if I'm stressing, I just stay on my P's. That's me staying prayed up, and that's my P's. That's what I'll be popping my P's and they prayers, I believe prayer work like that. Don't question if I'm stressing. That's another way. Instead of stressing about things, I go to a place where I know I can relax and get my mind on the right track, you know what I'm saying? And then to get the truth, I'm gonna be in pursuit. If you ain't cool, pop my collar and scoop. And that's just what we doing in life. We trying to find out things, but you gotta get to a point and realize when things ain't like they claim to be, you gotta learn how to move on from them type of things, When opportunities come up, if it ain't right, you gotta be okay to slide, stiff arm it and keep going on to the next thing, right? To get the truth, I'm gonna be in pursuit. If you ain't cool, pop my collar and scoop. In the booth, I give game preserved for use. Now you seeing what I seeded, I'm just claiming my roots. And all that's talking about is, when I lay down my tracks, although I feel like I'm in a big melting pot with a lot of people, rapping, but my art form is different. It's from my experience.
Mm-hmm.
Like my man Martin right here, that's what the whole song is about. It's about what we've been through in this journey and in our artistic form and our work. And now we're feeling ready to put it out to the public. But I like to see things that's gonna help you thrive and help you be inspired to move on. And then to align the experiences. We may not have the same experience, but we catch those vibes where you can feel what somebody was going through. And if you got some words of encouragement to get you through that moment, like, I need to hear that jam. I need to watch me real quick. And you know how it is. You got your favorite song that gets you in the mood, right? It gets you pumping and ready to go. And it gives you them vibes where, I can conquer whatever it is I'm going through. That's what I like to do. I like to see those things and they're preserved in the booth so you can just play that thing back when you're ready, You feel the vibe like you know me. I'm genuine, like the same OG. It's like I made that connection with you and you feel those vibes like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. That kind of type flow, and I think that's what the song really delivers. I'm the same old cat that I was before. I've just elevated and leveled up, like genuine. I'm the same OG. Ain't much change. But when you ride with me, you're gonna see who got the wheel in this GOD. I put God first in everything I do, because I've been blessed to experience all these different things, ups and downs, trials and tribulations. But I'm thankful for everything that's, got me to where I'm at. So the leveling up happened, the appreciation for the experience happened. I'm just doing what I do, elevating day to day, paving ways. Book of James is through. So it's like all this time I've been setting up this catalog to finally drop it. And I'm paving the way. I'm showing the consistency. So when my kids see, when they go through things, they'll have to follow up. They'll understand that. And then, for the viewers and people who are inspired by the words that we bring, they'll understand that day to day, it's a day to day. And, I don't want to be quoting what's already been said before, but it's a marathon. It's really not a sprint, especially when you're being artistic, because that's the best value. The more you put in, the better you're going to get out of it. Because this is something we want y'all to turn on 10 years from now. If it fits, right? It ain't something that we just drop a single and then we're like, we preserve this time, we preserve these things that we say to put it in rhyme for, to put it in a way that can reach you with the music. Thanks to this man blessing the track, So that's what that line is talking about right there. My brother Martin Ross, like I said, he be sliding with me. He's been helping me produce, We've been putting it down. He's dropping the beats. I'm dropping the rhymes. He inspired me to get back on board. You know, I had a moment where I was going through it, but like I said, I'm paving the ways, and along that way, he been sliding with me. So that's where we at. And then I seen the little piece of the hook where I'm saying, watch me do what I do because I know it's true, bringing it to you. It got you like, ooh. And it's just some slick thing to say when you like, that's my jam type stuff. You know, that's what it is. It got you like, ooh. So when you turn on, you be like, ooh. You know, you hear the verse, you just go, ooh.
Yes,
and then, you know, you want to hit that replay. Shout out to Hit the Replay and Thrax, you know what I'm saying? You want to hit the replay. So that's what we bringing. And like, the tracks that I got coming next, you understand. I'm talking about there's nothing left to prove. I just got to do what I do, and go ahead and watch me when I do it, and I appreciate it. Let's go.
All right, now I got to follow up. So my line, I picture perfection in my profession, from the pen to the paper, writing my method. I don't write music on the phone like he does, because he's the new school now. I write on a notepad with pen, and seeing as in 2015 I dropped my 2014, 2015 I dropped my Finding Ground album, and then the follow-up Essentio, this album, all my stuff got stolen. So essentially I have to redo everything, start all over. Yes, all the beats, all the lyrics, they're all gone, just gone. So when I picture perfection, I need to do it just right. And this follows the next line. Don't get it confused when I'm not in the spotlight. I sit back, observe, and I plot when my time's right.
Yeah.
So, you know,
my line right there.
In 2020, I dropped the stolen records, the last masters that I had of all the stuff that was stolen, and everybody was saying, well, you know, I've seen some of your little demos you got going on. Are you gonna drop? And I had to wait, because it's like, it's not the time yet. I'm planning the time to drop. And you know, this is where we're at. So the next line says, Essentio is a plan to prosper, moving up a level, don't know when it gonna drop. So essentially, Essentio means in Latin to move up, moving up, and it's a double entendre, going to drop. So you're so high, you don't know if you're gonna drop or when I'm gonna drop the album, all right? And so the next is, I'll give you a little G-funk in your face, making your body vibe. That wasn't worth the wait. So essentially, it's time to drop the song, and it's summertime, so I figured the G-Funk works great with the summer. Bam, let's do it. So the next part, I'll give you tracks, ain't no turning back, hitting you with this joint, be like, damn, play it back. So I want you to feel the song, I want you to play it back. If it's feeling a certain way, play the track on, put that track on repeat. Check it out, Apple Music, Spotify, put that on repeat. So essentially when I'm dropping, that means there's more music coming. This is not the only one. We've got, what, 2 more tracks that we got dropped coming soon. Hey, be ready for that. Y'all know where to find it. Next part, got you confused saying, why you rapping, Martin, you just singing. Ain't no need to be capping. Well, think about this. In Straight From The Bottom, strictly talk box. Finding Ground, I actually sang on a lot of the backing tracks. And in this, I'm rapping. This album, Essentio, will be rapping, doing everything. Vocoder, talk box, singing, whatever. So I want you to see the levels of growth from 2009, 2014 to now, 2024. That's wild, man. I've been working real hard on this. Now there's a lesson to be learned. I'm an artist, independent, creativity, that's a verb, it's what I do. That's a double entendre verb. What I'm being is creative. I'm also independent. I'm an independent artist, so I'm gonna be breaking the barriers of what you've heard me do. So it's gonna be something different. That's the whole point of this single. This single's an introduction to much more. The last part is, now I'm gonna sing to you, watch me do how I do, because you know it's true, because you know I gotta sing on my tracks. So, you know, that's just how it's gonna be. I'm gonna give you all I got, my talk box, my singing, everything. So Essentio is gonna be something that I really hope the audience, you, can enjoy as much as I enjoyed, he enjoyed. We put our heart and soul into this song. So please check out Watch Me, featuring
iMFloss, baby.
And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. So if you don't know how to get to it, links in the description. If you don't have Spotify, Apple Music, please check out all the links in the description or links in the bio. Y'all take care.
Yee!
You feel the vibe like you know me. I'm genuine, like the same OG. The only difference is you ride with me and you see who got the wheel in this G.O.D.